2D 3. It's like a 2D game trying to be 3D, and I love it.
We know Hector.
Yeah,
we know Hector.
We played the game. I know this game is like it's literally a 2D but 3D game, and it's actually good. Bitch, you ain't going nowhere. Bitch, you ain't going nowhere. Oh wait. There we go. Oh guys. Jesus. Animals are people too, then why the fuck are we shooting each other out?
Because we're in America, obviously. Impressive.
Oh, he has a dart gun. Oh no, I'm dead. I have no shield. What do you mean the dart gun is bad?
It's bad.
No, it's not.
It is bad.
Bro, he literally used the dart gun to deplete all my health. With one hit.
Okay, but it's slow.
The dart gun is OP as hell.
Alright, think whatever the hell you want. I'm not bossing you, so. Personally, I wouldn't use it. If you want to use it, cool, go for it. If you die with it, don't blame me because you didn't have enough.
Alfur, don't show any of this part of the footage. Then we're not gonna be able to post the video without giving. Yeah, the part where you guys are arguing. Yeah, okay. No. Can you make it? I don't know. Barely.
Yeah. I want to crash one of these houses. Oh joy. Guess what I'm stuck with, guys?
What?
The one gun I literally would rather have anything else for. The dart gun.
What is this? A rebel? Gosh.
Oh, that's a loot crate. Literally
M16. Among Us loot crate. This is an AK now.
I'm so mad. When I'm about to check.
Oh, outside!
Okay, it's kind of not worth.
Outside. I saw. Yep, there he is.
I hit one.
Okay,
no, I'm dead. Oh god.
No.
Yeah, I'm dead. Goodbye.
Damn it. Ow, I'm hurt. That hurt way too much. Watch out. I can't help.
Can't push the smoke. We gotta leave now.
Alright. I gotta get out here. I'm sorry.
Well, Hector, it's up to you.
I just saw someone up there.
Oh,
I just got shot through the tree. This game is kind of hard to tell what will you not die from. I'm gonna go to Sophie because I feel safe around her. Oh shit!
And not me, dude.
Ow!
Whenever let me
finish him. Oh my god, can I have an AK?
So my god.
Shaking my head, Hector.
Oh
Hector, you're a loot goblin, that's what you are.
Where do you even get the Tommy gun?
Hector, you're a whole loot goblin.
I am a loot goblin.
Loot goblin from Loot Crate. This video was sponsored by the Loot Crate.
Is that actually...
No.
This video is sponsored by Loot Crate?
This video is sponsored by NordVPN.
Oh, alright.
Alright, I gotta meet up with you guys.
Gamer?
I was just being a loot goblin.
Yeah, we know. We know that you always do that. You're a loot goblin at heart.
He's down here.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
He's not good. I need
Oh, I'm dead.
I knocked one.
No.
We can't save you. We can save Alfur. Yes.
There's another guy around here. Hector, I need you.
Where?
There's a guy below us. I don't know where he is.
Oh, there he is. What the fuck is this? I'll make something good.
They're very low, but I wouldn't chase him. I would not get him chased with that Hector. Oh, dude, come over here. Come over here, Alfred.
I'll forget that.
Okay, what?
Here's 2 armor in there, please.
Oh, yeah.
You kinda need it.
Got one. Yep.
Never stood a chance. What else can I say?
Never let him know your next move.
Never let him know your next move, bro.
There's a Devo. Anybody want that?
There's a guy up here.
Oh, okay. I I see him.
I am like out of ammo.
I killed him. There's another. Ow. Ow.
Take him. Oh, I need to reload. What the heck?
Oh my god. No.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
No. Let me get at least one shield. Oh my god. I need it.
Dude, I ran out of AK ammo because Hector kept gobbling all the AK ammo.
Oh god.
Oh Jesus.
Oh god.
We are in a lot of pressure right now. Ooh no. This is not very good.
Oh wait, Sophie's dead. Fuck. I just
Yeah,
realized.
I ran out of AK ammo because you kept taking all of it. That's
You didn't ask me for some. I
Oh,
don't
there's so
have.
much happening. There's so much happening. Oh, I'm dead.
I'm like out here. Yeah, there it goes.
Oh Jesus.
rip.
Must have
We got
been
so
sent around.
close.
Yeah, we
Sophie,
do. We
Sophie,
get
you
so
should have
close.
just
Oh my
told me
God.
if you were gonna run out of AK ammo.
I told you guys Hector's 5. I didn't lie to you guys.
Hey guys, I am joining the kill.
And if you keep pronouncing going like Joey, I'm going to send you to Jod, okay?
I'm
I will
actually-
send you to John. Run the wall! No! He's finishing me! Where are you guys? Where did you guys go? Oh, that's where you guys are.
It really doesn't
Did
matter.
Sophie just run away? No, she didn't.
Yeah. No. Oh my god.
Oh, nice kill!
Oh no, I couldn't do anything. They're all around me.
That was a very short-lived what was I saying? Short-lived round.
Short-lived.
There we go. I mean, if you want to.
Let's go Pixie Port.
I'm sorry.
Port.
You mean pixel port? It's pronounced pixel. You know,
Oh,
like the things on your screen?
I thought it was Pixile.
Yeah. It just has a weird spell.
Me with
disappointed.
spelling error.
I'm disappointed in you, okay? I thought this was like common.
When was this common knowledge exactly?
Sophie, so that person hasn't paid their drug money. That person hasn't paid their drug money. This person didn't pay their drug money.
Oh, he's
so they-
freaking blind. He didn't see shit. He didn't see shit. Alright. I'm coming.
Hector,
We're discussing business problems. Get the fuck out of here.
I think we're gonna go for that dude next because he didn't pay his drug money, and then
Yeah.
maybe for that one. Right?
We gotta cook Jesse. Jesse, we need to
Do you
cook.
guys have a tape by
Alfur,
chance?
we need to cook Alfur. Alfur,
Also,
we need to cook.
this one paid back their drug money, so we don't have to kill them.
Okay, so these 5 are good over here, right?
Yeah. Alright,
Okay,
alright.
but all the rest of them are stuck.
I'm also on my floor.
I'm drinking
you
my
dare.
G. I'm drinking my G Fuel.
Wow,
Right?
that's what you fucking get. That's what you fucking get.
Okay.
Oh, hey gamers.
You don't get to play the game. You don't
Give me
get
a
to play the game.
s-
I'm dead. I'm
Okay,
dead. I'm
okay.
dead. Help.
I'm really
Oh, wait, what?
about that.
I
Oh,
just
up there. Give me go for it. Up there.
Dude, I need to heal. Can we regroup and then push him?
Yeah.
I'm dead, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we need to, get our asses.
Just get out of
Okay,
here.
I have tier 2, but it's
Get on,
fucking
This is like
man. I not only did I have tier 3 armor, I also had like 5 tape. Because I just couldn't stay
get him.
there.
Oh, not worth chasing that.
Walker White, motherfucker.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hector, you're a lifesaver? That's a
You guys better start running.
Yeah, we're getting it.
Oh, Jesus.
Not.
Gamer.
Oh, shit.
Oh, no.
Hector, I'll be your meat shield. Push up. Why are you using that?
Hector, come on, Hector.
Come on, Hector.
Can I have a shotgun?
Oh, I mean, you can take it. It's right there.
Hector be like, can I please get that shotgun, bro?
Hey, can I please get that murder weapon so I can brutally kill like 7 people, please? Fun fact, in this game you don't want to die. That's like generally what you're not supposed to do. Surprisingly. A lot of people don't know that.
Which is why only one person can do it.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know that you're not supposed to die in this game.
Meaning only one person can do it.
Only one person is smart enough each game to not fucking die. Oh my god, there's so many.
Oh, whoops.
I die! Right here. Oh my god, dude.
Oh, Jesus.
Please.
I'm sticking it.
Oh my
I'm
god,
sticking it.
we gotta go. Oh my
I'm
god.
sticking it.
Where are you guys?
Stick. Alright, I gotta get all that and we're running. We are out of your game.
Chug.
Chug. It's a relief. Chug. I refuse to die. I finally got the fucking achievement to die in the. That's it's okay. It's a minute.
Penguino Palace.
Penguino Palace.
Penguino, is that what it's actually called?
No.
No, it's just called Penguino Palace. We call it Penguino. Oh my god, you ice I forgot. That's such an adorable anime.
Wee.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Whatever. Fuck it.
It's now
I'll make it out alive.
We're all gonna...
Ah!
Hey guys, y'all stop.
No, this is... How dare you
No,
betray
Get
us?
on! Get on! Get
I'm
on!
Alfur, you're left in the dust. Damn it.
Well, that's
You know what?
the person...
Fuck it, I'm risking this one.
Oh, let's go, Hector! Let's go, Hector!
Yeah, it's
I had extra diving. That was not from Alfur or any of us. There's someone here. Yeah, like I witnessed someone like die.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm just kind of dead.
Are you?
Yeah. Pretty much. Oh, nice floss on me. That's kind of cringe.
Alfur, no! Alfur, no! Where are you,
It's
Alfur?
not even worth it. Like, I'm already dead.
I can't help. Is he dead?
I spit on you.
Sophie, you're in a bit of a predicament.
Oh no! Oh no!